Yesterday, the Notre Border Dispute Resolution Forum has been demanding that an inquiry, CBI inquiry, should be instituted when it comes to the Mukroh incident. What do you have to say on it?
We have in fact put this request in front of the Government of India, and we had discussed the details with Honorable HM and all, and the seriousness is there from the government side, and when we'd initially gone, that they had mentioned to us that definitely they'll examine it in a positive way and find the best way to ensure that full details and facts about the incident should come out. So whatever is in the interest of ensuring that all the facts come out in a neutral manner, we support that kind of an inquiry.
And furthermore, sir, the forum had alleged that when the Assam side inquiry commission came to Shillong, nobody from the Meghalaya government represented or appeared before the commission.
No, because the commission, in fact, there had been meetings with them, and at different levels, the officials have been talking to them. So that's not entirely true. But of course, it's also a question of procedure to be followed. So those procedures will have to be followed because these are inquiries at a very, very high level, and hence whatever has to be done in a proper manner. But this is not entirely true that we have not been communicating with the thing. Maybe in that meeting, individuals may not have been there, as I said, because of procedural matters. But the fact that we are not in touch is not true. We are in touch with them, and whatever is being done in a proper, systematic manner and procedural manner is being done from our side, and we are in touch with them.